Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Turning off HDR, which means high dynamic range on your iPhone, can be useful if you prefer standard photo quality or need to save storage space. HDR combines multiple exposure to create a single image with enhanced details in both the shadow and highlights. While it is beneficial for many scenarios, there are times you might want to disable it. Here is a detailed guide to help you turn off HDR on your iPhone. Let's get into it. First step is to open Setting. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Tap on the Setting app represented by a jar icon. Next, you navigate to Camera Settings. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Next is to disable Smart HDR, which is on iPhone X and later. Tap the joggle to turn off Smart HDR. When disabled, the joggle will no longer be green. Next, you exit the Setting app and open the Camera app from the home screen. If you disabled Auto HDR, you will now see an HDR option at the top of the camera screen. Tap on HDR and select Off from the option. This ensures HDR is off for the photos you take. And that's it guys, disabling HDR on your iPhone can give you more control over your photos and potentially save storage space. Whether you have an older model or a newer one, these steps will guide you through turning off HDR easily and effectively. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe. And I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.